Well, spring has arrived, and along with it comes the release of Internet Explorer 9, the latest version of the popular web browser from Microsoft. In this lesson, I'll show you how to download and install Internet Explorer, or IE9 as you will hear me refer to it from now on. Right now, I'm using Internet Explorer 8, and I have the Bing homepage up, and we'll use their search engine to find where we can download IE9, but of course, you can use any search engine you prefer. I'm going to go right here, and in my search box, I will simply type IE9, and look at that. My second choice is IE9 download. Let's click there, and we have several options. Now, depending on which browser you use and which search engine you use, you may come up with a variety of different results in here. And there are other places that you can go ahead and download IE9 from. In fact, if I move down here, you'll see lots of different types of places here. Softonic, PC Pro, I know that CNET has a download for it. But what you probably want to do to make sure that you're safe is always go to Microsoft to download any of their products. So let's click here on Internet Explorer 9, Microsoft.com. There we go, and it took us right to the Microsoft Internet Explorer 9 download page right there, exactly what we were looking for. But let me back up a minute and tell you that this isn't the only way to get Internet Explorer 9. If you're using Windows updates, if you have that configured to update automatically or make you aware of when there are updates available, you may have been prompted already to download and install Internet Explorer 9. Or if you ever see that come up, you can take advantage of it that way as well. For our purposes here, we're going to go ahead and say, well, I missed the boat on that. Maybe I didn't get that notification. Maybe I just can't wait until it comes. I want to go ahead and download it now. So that's what we're doing. We came here to the Microsoft page, and we will see the button for download now. Now, I've scrolled up a little bit here because I want to show you down here on the left 9 reasons to install, because a lot of people will ask me, well, Bill, isn't it just a web browser? Why do I need to upgrade to Internet Explorer 9? What's the big difference? Why is it so much better than Internet Explorer 8? Well, let's go ahead and let's get it straight from the horse's mouth. Microsoft, let's take a look here, and you'll see that they have 9 reasons why you should get Internet Explorer 9, and I'm betting that's not a coincidence. 9. Number 1, it's all around fast. Yes, indeed it is. 2, streamlined and simplified design. I can tell you from experience that is true. One-click access to your favorite sites, also true. A very cool feature. 4, a combined search and address bar. Again, very awesome. Number 5, redesigned new tab page. Cool. Integration with Windows 7. Very important. Everything works really well together. Number 7, improved add-on management. Yes, indeed. Number 8, helps control your privacy. Lots of great tools there. And number 9, it keeps your downloads in order. 9 great new features. We're not going to discuss these in this lesson, but in future lessons, we'll go through most, if not all, of these options in much greater detail. So, lots of fun things to look forward to, but let's go and get Internet Explorer 9 because we can't take advantage of any of this unless we go ahead and download and install it. Now, you'll see that, and by default, I believe, because I have a 64-bit version of Windows 7 on my computer right now, it's offering me the Windows IE9 64-bit version. But you'll see here, we have an option for other versions. Let's take a look at that before we download anything. And you'll see that I can go ahead and choose Internet Explorer 9 for Vista 32 or 64-bit, for Windows 7 32 and 64-bit, also for Windows Server 2008 and 2008 R2. Any of those options. Now, like I said, I'm using Windows 7 Enterprise 64-bit, so that's what I want right there. I'm going to go ahead and select download, and when I do, I get this window here. We have 2 options here. We can either run the program right now, run the installation, or we can save it, and it'll save automatically to our downloads folder, and we can run it later on. Now this program, this application is from Microsoft. I'm getting it from the Microsoft web page, so I'm not really worried about any problems that I might have with it, so I am going to go ahead and just tell it to run. And you can see that it's going to take a couple of minutes to download, so let's take a pause here. You don't have to sit and watch this, and I will be right back when it's done. Okay, as you can see, we're almost done here any second now, and we'll be ready to go ahead and complete our installation. There we go. We're getting our user account control. Do we want it to allow the following program to make changes to our computer? Yes, indeed I do. That's why I downloaded it. So I'm going to go ahead and select yes. And do we want to install it? Yes, I do. Let's go ahead and install Internet Explorer 9. And again, this is going to take a little bit of time, so we'll take another little break, and I'll come back when we're done. It's prompting me now to go ahead and close Internet Explorer and my Windows Explorer. Now I can either do it manually, or I can let the installer close the programs for me, and that's what I'm going to leave it do. So continue, and if we watch behind us here, we will probably see in just a second that our Internet Explorer, there it goes, will close. And as you can see, we're done installing and it's starting to reset. And we're going to load Internet Explorer 9. And there it is. Now, it's going to divert us to Microsoft.com, where we can see some more options. We can get a little bit more information about what to expect from Internet Explorer 9. But of course, that's why you're watching this video, because you don't want to have to read all of this. You'd rather have me tell you how to do it. Speed up browsing by disabling add-ons. We're going to tell it to ask me later. We'll close this and we'll go back. And you can right away see the difference, can't you? There's a few little things that are quite a bit different. Our home button, tools, options over here, favorites. We'll go over here where we see our combined search and address bar. And that is how you download and install IE9. Remember, we will have future lessons on some of the other great new tools and features that you can find with IE9. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. For more information regarding our training videos, please visit www.trainsignal.com.